working on a motherboard, a customer came in and she had some USBs that weren't functioning and some other ports that weren't functioning, and she just felt it was best just replace the motherboard. So that's what we're doing. We're replacing the motherboard. I got the old motherboard, took it out, rethrown with the processor for the new motherboard. And
so for our clientele, as far as everything goes, why would you recommend replacing it rather than just trying to fix the USBs?
Well, it just depends. You know, each board is different. And sometimes the cost benefit is better for the customer if we replace the board versus if we're replacing the USBs. If we're having those types of problems in our motherboard, it's probably best to replace the whole motherboard versus, you know, this USB's fine, but now this USB's broken, because there's just too much intermittent power going across everything. So, well,
and in some cases it can be cheaper too, because
yes, exactly.
For soldering and everything else, all that tiny little detail and everything for what you have to do, right?
Yes. Correct. So we thought it was best look at the cost benefit, whether buy a new one, do the USB soldering, or replace the board, and it was just a better deal for the customer was just to replace the board.
Okay, well, that's good. And reality is we still can do the diagnostic within 3 to 5 business days unless they need a diagnostic.